Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
New for 2018. The 2018 Ford Day Trip has been redesigned and now uses the same aluminum-intensive architecture because the present-day era Ford F-850. As an end result, the brand-new Day Trip is around 300 kilos lighter than its predecessor. Additionally, it capabilities more multimedia and safety technology than the model it replaces. Automobile Precis. The 2018 Ford Day Trip is a SUV that slots above the 3-row, automobile-based Totally Explorer. Rear-wheel drive is widespread and 4-wheel pressure is non-obligatory. In addition to the standard Day Trip, an extended wheelbase variation called the Excursion Max replaces the L version. Evaluate. An updated EcoBoost 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with greater energy and torque will power the 2018 Expedition, and the 6-pace computerized has been replaced by a new 10-speed unit that first saw responsibility in the F-850 Raptor. Assume the 2018 Day Trip in order to tow greater payload and have a larger shipment potential than the SUV it replaces. To-be-had capabilities encompass leather-based upholstery, Ford Sync 3 infotainment machine, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a Wi-Fi hotspot, a rear seat leisure machine, a 12-speaker B&O Play sound system, a wide-ranging sunroof, and a new superior shipment supervisor that functions as shelf that we could proprietors personalize the space behind the 0.33-row. Protection. The NHTSA and it haven't crash-tested the 2018 Excursion. Energetic safety capabilities and motive force aids including automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise manipulate, lane departure warning, and lane preserving help are to be had. What we suppose. We haven't driven the 2018 Expedition yet, but we anticipate it to be quicker and greater capable than the model it replaces. Since it's lighter, the brand new Expedition may be extra efficient and manage higher. Platinum fashions will be extra costly with chrome accents, 22-inch polished alloy wheels, and quilted leather-based upholstery. Cool truth. The 2018 Ford Excursion is the third vehicle to apply an aluminum-intensive structure, following the Ford F-150 and Amazing Obligation trucks.